looks like after June 2022, working and filming several lifts in Valencia has gone back to performance. And it's random lift tour time. First at 45 Festival Avenue is our 90s Corner lift, which was fully original. Sadly, I couldn't get to film it because a stupid woman told me off, and I had to delete the video to avoid getting in trouble. Anyways, let's continue to Jerónima Galés Street. The first lift was gonna be at 45 Festival Avenue, but I had to change my mind because of what happened with that asshole. Anyways, now 47 Jerónima Galés Street. This time, you think I'd just film a single wing like I did last time, but no. This time, I'm going to retake the lift at B wing, then film the lift in A wing. Like, if you do not already know, these used to be our 80s carbonell lifts, which have been modernized by Ninja. Anyways, first to a lift in B wing. This time I'm going to do both the M and B wing. Oh wait, it's the ND open today, but okay. Okay. Get to the basement, but it's locked off. I'm going to confess one thing. 45 First Avenue was going to be the first. 45 First Avenue sleep was going to be the first was random lift, but I got told off, and hell no. I'll explain more later what happened. I think I heard this video, but I don't fucking know. Plus, these buttons are treated like kind of logic indicators. Fucking hell. Hola.
Hola, muy buenas. ¿Te importa que suba?
Sí, no me importaba, al menos uno, ¿no?
Sí, bueno, yo voy al garaje.
Yo bajo en el 0.
Vale. Espérate a ver si atino la llave. Ahí estamos.
Bueno. Yo bajo aquí.
Muchas gracias,
De nada.
Hasta
Pues
luego.
estamos. Adiós. I'm going to watch this go down to basement. ¿Qué? Ahora voy, dame un momento. And now to the lift in A wing. Okay. It's like what happened last time. Okay, okay. So like I got caught and then like that person thought that it was her own house, like if she owned it all herself, and then they thought I was gonna see. Fuck you. And now I'm writing on it, I have a fair reason why I prefer the newer ones rather than these.
Sí, el lunes empezó la marcha. Lo que pasa es que el viernes
I mean, like, just a brief illustration of what happened at the 45th in Miami. I mean, I was gonna film the lift. It was a 90s car, no lift, but and then I got fucking told off, and like you know, and like that person that told me thought that it was her own complete house, and it's actually a flat building where 28 fucking residents live at. And then like I thought I was gonna steal, and no, I'm not gonna steal because I'm not a fucking wiener. Yeah. And then thinking stuff like that is like, you know, selfish. Yeah, that's all I have to tell. I want to get into this kind of topic. Perfecto. And now into 16 Carteros Street. The lift here was originally built in the 1980s, but later it was modernized by a owner, because it's modernized later than 2019, because I've seen on Google Maps Street View that this building was refurbished after 2019. It was modernized with a 3G owner. Sadly, I couldn't get to film this before, so I don't know what the lift used to be. Is it built in the... Oh no. Basement is unlocked, but not going. Wait, this is actually a mod, not a complete replacement. But this must have been an old 1980s lift before. Or maybe from the 1990s. Hey, this was overall an interesting lift. So this was a complete replacement, but no, it's actually a mod of an old lift. But for some reason, basement is unlocked.
Oh, hello. My name is Eli. Hello, little shit.
I don't mind. Might I make this the 14th episode? Yeah. Because I thought for once I did it if I make the Benny Ferry random lift to for the September 2021 one from the 14th episode, but I completely decided to change my mind. I know. Well, let's just get straight forward.
Man, I might try to short this, but I don't fucking know. There's still a house that left their Christmas decorations. But it should have been gone by fucking now. I mean, we're currently where it says it's like cold days, but the day today is alright.
¿Dónde están los panes del cerrito? Vamos un paquete. Ya, venga.
And now to the left at 76 Carteros Street. This used to be an old 80s fishing, but later was modernized in the 2000s by Fishing Club. And in 2016 the flat building so was refurbished, and I've even filmed this there various times during the progress of refurbishment. Anyways,
Yes. Okay. Oh, fake.